Ponios ir ponai, Donatas Vėželis, Lina Chatkevičiūtė.
Very nice evening, very successful evening. Of course, big emotions still inside us, but we are very happy.
Very happy to actually our first title, world champion. We are first time.
Next competition,
When is the next competition?
probably will be German Open, maybe some before that, but actually our plan is to develop our dancing, to become even better dancers, so this is the biggest plan.
And actually it was a risky show, as you can see in our performance, but everything was great, so happy and yeah.